Hi, and a very good day to all. Let's see 5 ways you can square a number in Python. These 5 techniques will make you a better programmer. Writing an efficient code is what most people want, but they lack that skill. Stay tuned till the end of this video and I will show you how you can square a number in Python in a most efficient way. An efficient code comes with clubbing efficient pieces of code. Now let's see one by one. The first way is exponent operator. Here I have initialized few variables x, y, z by assigning a value to each variable. I will run it to initialize it. Equals x is a variable which I want to do a squaring, asterisk asterisk 2, and I will print I to see the result. Now I will run this cell. When I run this cell, I will get a 9. 3 square is 9. This is the first method, exponent operator. The next way is multiplication. Let's assign j with x into x and print j. Now in this case, x is multiplying by x, which is a square value. I will run this cell and I'll get a 9, the same value as I got in the exponent operator. There is a catch in this one. This is not scalable. Not scalable means for doing a cube, you can just say 3 here and run this cell. You'll get it. But here you have to add another value, another variable or a value here. Let's say if I want to do 20, then I have to write 20 times. So the code itself is lacking some kind of flexibility. This cannot be an efficient way if you compare to the exponent operator. Moving on to the next one is a function which is POW. It is nothing but a power operator. I will assign a value to power operator x and I want to square it. I will do a print of k and I will run this one. 9. Same as exponent operator, I can change a value here, the squaring value, and when I run it, I will get the desired value. Now, the fourth way is adding a library. So there are 2 libraries which I wanted to point out. The first one is math. So for that, we have to import that library as empty. I will run this one. Now in math library there are POW function similar to what you saw here. So what I will do here, I will assign a value empty.pow to x4. Now I have to print as well. Now I am printing it. So if you see here, I got 81.0, but if you observe the POW default function gave us 81. So this is the integer value and this is a float value. So whenever you use math library to produce square values or exponential value, it will result float data type. The last one, the last library is NumPy. I will import that as well. To import, I will run it. I will assign that to mp dot square place x here, print m, run this cell. I will get a 9. What if I don't want to square a number? Can select a value instead of square. For that, there is a power function. I will use power function as x, and I can define a value here. Print m, and this function will result in 81. So if you do a square, it will result to a square value, but if you can use power, then you can use any value. Let's say in your program you have already imported NumPy math library. Use their methods. That would be an optimum way, or else exponent operator is a better way. So if an interviewer asks you how many ways you can square a number, you should say these 5 ways. If anybody aware of different technique, comment below. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.